Hey, how are you guys? I hope you guys are doing okay. And on green, today is December 28, 2022. Watching the market and looking for potential trades. KALA FDA approval. It's one of the watch lists today. It went all the way to 275% today with the FDA approval, I think. A couple of my friends traded this one and then they did make good money on this one. KALA. A lot of people ask me, what do you need before you enter a trade? And I always tell them, you need a checklist. Must have for traders has to be checklist to stay disciplined. Journaling, know why you're entering a trade, measuring your risk and reward ratio. Let's say you enter right here, you sold right here, there's easily 51%, 40, 50, 60%. Yeah, measuring risk and reward ratio is a must. Still watching KALA with the FDA approval. I was actually watching it right at here, 7 a.m. I thought it was too late. Yeah, that would have been 20% of your money. In my opinion, you have to know what type of trade or setup it is before you enter a trade. You want to be able to know what type of trade is it. Is it a day trade? Is it a quick scalp? Is it a swing trade long? Is it a short setup? You got to think of those. You got to look at the market condition. Is it bullish? Is it bearish? Is it choppy today? You got to have a checklist, in my opinion, to stay disciplined in trading. I will link that checklist that I use on the description below and the tracking, Excel tracking, Google Sheet Excel tracking that I use on the description below so that you guys can look at it if you guys want to look at it. But yeah, basically, you gotta have a checklist, in my opinion. Wow, HKD is like 10. Used to be 2500. 52-week highs, 2500. Now it's hanging out at 10. Financial services, healthcare, utilities. KALA 251% today. The checklist for today. I hope everyone is having a good day, and I'll see you in the next video.